Okay, okay, we need to take shares on. So, oh my god, dude. Sorry, I had to fix my mic last video. I was not that good. Oh shit. It's gonna take a long time switching it. I'll skip past the rest if you'd like. Such a I'm not done with, but I think one has made it to the end. Okay, this is taking longer than I thought. Hmm. Okay, so okay. Got my favorites. So this is the version of Tiger Shopping. This is version 1. And this version just have songs. Oh wait, I just have a screenshot. Okay, that is of course a screenshot. Not right. So we're gonna, this is the last time it's really nice though. It actually is though. Oh my god, am I making that version? This is a version? Wow. Um, this is my first time using